Dear friends, how are you all? In this video I'm going to be reviewing the Secret Box of Pandora, and in this video I'm going to give a full review plus demo plus all the questions that coming in your mind. I am going to be answering all those questions, and as well as I'm going to give a full review. Okay, so let's look at the official site of the Secret Box of Pandora. So right now, as you can see, right now I'm in the official site of the Secret Box of Pandora. Exceptional concept of the box. Okay, so I'm going to be reviewing all the stuff, but before moving ahead, I have provided a link in the description of official site of the Secret Box of Pandora app, so you can click on that link. You will be redirected to the official site of Secret Box of Pandora, so you can click on that link that I have provided you and you can purchase it. Okay, so let's look at this. So let me tell you exactly what is the Secret Box of Pandora is. So basically it is a app that allows you to get multiple stuff inside it. You will get 200, and it's in a PLR app where you get multiple stuff inside it within a one-time payment only, and you will get inside around 2520 articles ready for publishing, or 18 ebooks or of 140 articles. Okay, and 18 template book covers ready to publish, editable covers, editable docs, 300 and 400 words each article and keyword. So you are going to get inside it 2500 articles plus publicable articles, so that you need to just publish them, and 18 ebooks and 114 articles also, each article inside that ebook, and 18 templates of book covers, as well as you are going to get these things. Okay, so basically it's in a PLR app that you get inside it. So once you click on the link in the description that I have provided you, then you need to click on this button. Right now it's not launched, this product that I am making this video on. So this product is going to be live on 7th of July 22 on 11 a.m. US Central Time. So after you watch this video, after this time, so you can purchase it, but right now it's not launched. So if you will go to this official site that I have provided a link in the description, so you will find a page like this that it is not available. So don't comment down that this product is not currently available, because it's not launched yet. It will take few hours to launch. Okay, then after that you can purchase it. So you can do what, you can copy the link on the description that I have provided you somewhere, and you can click on the link after that time. You can see the time right now. You can take a screenshot as well. 7th of July 2021 11 a.m. US Central Time. Okay, US Central Time. So let's look at more inside it. For you to have the best results, we have chosen to offer limited number of products. They are saying that what they are providing inside it, the secret of Pandora, what you are going to get inside it. Basically it have high quality ebooks, high quality articles, so that you can use them in just one time payment, and 18 high content ebooks with 140 articles each, 2520 articles written by professionals, edited by professionals, ready to print or publish online. Okay, so you got the right to publish them, as well as 18 template ebook covers ready to publish. Okay, what you can do, you can sell them as well. Okay, I'm not going to talk about that one. So in the module 3 you are going to get this inside this, and there are zero risk with our 30 days money back guarantee, no question asked money back guarantee. Okay, so this is the best part. If you got an issue with the product, you don't find it worthy as much, so you can get your money to be back in your pocket. So as I'm making this video right now, it's just 10 hours and 80 minutes left to by the launching of this product, so you can purchase it after 10 hours and 18 minutes. You can check it out when I have uploaded this video. Okay, so this is the other thing that you got inside the limited PLR license available, the Secret Box of Pandora. And I want to mention one more thing here, that you can earn easy money with this. Let me tell you exactly how. If you have a website, if you have a blog, if you are a freelancer, you can earn with this. Okay, so in just one time payment, so you don't need to be worried about what you need to pay again and again and again. So you can check it out, the software after 10 hours, after 10 and 18 minutes, and it is going to be live on 22 on 11 a.m. US Central Time. I am repeating it again and again because a lot of people comment down. Okay, so this is a PLR app that allows you to get multiple stuff inside it in just one-time payment. And if you still got any question, any query, so comment down below. I will answer your question as much fast I can, and I will come to you exactly. Okay, that I want to mention one more thing here, that I have provided a link in the description so that you can purchase it through that link so I can get help. Okay, so if you want multiple videos like this, so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. And thank you for watching the Secret Box of Pandora box review. Okay, so this is it for today. Let's meet on next video.